Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be installing red seats on my 2022 RT. We got the Kustom interior, shout out to them for hooking your boy up. Got the all red leather seats and it comes in this sick ass packaging. I'm going to be throwing these on and I'm going to be showing you guys the process on how it's going to look. I'm on the mess, but as you can see I got the basic cloth seats, ugly. But yeah, we're going to be upgrading them to those red seats right there. Gonna come with the seat, the headrest, and these pry tools. For the headrest, it has Velcro right here, so it just sticks on. So just like that, it's the fitment for it. It has a little Velcro strap underneath, holds it so it doesn't come off. Super tight fitting, as you can see. Throw on the top piece for this one right here. It has the little stretchy Velcro thingies that you can hook on. I believe you just put it through the seat here, and then it goes onto the other side. Let's throw this one on. It does have to come off to put these on. You just have to push this and this button right here and then it'll just come right out. You just have to slide it all the way down and it should be on. And then after that, you just gotta Velcro these little pieces right here. These do come with little storage components right here, like the other ones. All you have to do is just take all your stuff out and put it right here. It makes it a lot easier if you just unzip the zipper, which I didn't even notice until right now. So it slides on a lot easier. Put it all the way on. You're just gonna wanna tuck it under this part right here. It goes up. You can grab it from the other side of the seat up there to grab those little hooks. So I was wrong. These are gonna end up connecting to the bottom piece. All you have to do is tuck these little, where'd they go? Just tuck these, there's 3 on each one. Tuck it back there, make sure it's flat. And it'll keep this from coming out. As you can see, it's already tight. So that's done, you wanna zip the zipper down and fold these around. So it sits nice and flush like that. The headrest back on. And you're all good. Now get to the bottom part right there. Bottom piece, you can do this, it's the same process. You're gonna put it over, put these back there, throw this around, and then these 2 hooks are gonna hook onto the back side on those over there. Once you have it on, you just gotta clip those 2 things. Those little clips right there. You see they're right there. And then there's another clip that goes from this side to this side. You gotta clap that. And that's about it. Repeat the process of this side onto that side, and then do the back, and we're good. Bottom side on, now let's do the top and then the headrest. Now the front is fully completed. You got them both on. Look at how snug they are. No creases, no folds. Nice and smooth, flat. Let's hit the back now. These look really OEM. These look just like the OEM ones. I'll throw up a picture. But these look so good. So now let's install the back and we will be done. Comes with everything you need. Has a bench, has both seats. It has the little pull down in the middle. And then it has all the headrests right here. Back is the same concept. You're just gonna slide this on. It comes with these little Velcro straps so it doesn't get loose. Then it even has a little thing for the seat. When you pull it down, I'll adjust it right now, but pretty much it. Same thing here. Tuck these in between the seats right here, and you're all set. Heads up for these when you're taking this one out. I had to take this little clip out. It would not come out without it. You literally just pry it out, and this thing will come right off. You have it on. You're gonna connect it to the zipper right here, and it'll all just zip down and look really nice. And then just throw this one on, and we'll be good. Comes with little pieces for the sides that go right here. You literally just pull it off, and it comes out of this clip. And then this little clip up there. Just about does it for the red seat install. Huge shout out to Kustom Interior for sending me these seats. Make sure to follow them, check them out, and get yourself some of these seats. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.